Hey y'all, hey, what's up, what's up? It's your girl, the dog, and Tia Seeing It All Knowing on YouTube, and I am the Knowing with Tia on Facebook. You see that red truck, you know we have pulled up. Y'all, I want to give the condolence to the family of Ashley Robertson, or Ashley Janae. Her parents did an interview today. They don't have a timeline. They don't have any answers. They don't know what happened. You know, so often we don't give people grace. And sometimes we need to. I've read some of the things that she said about black men. I have. And she seemed like up here that she was, trashing the black man. And, taking up for the white man. And she may have. And I understand what you all are saying. No grace. No mercy. But if you can't find a little, somewhere close in your heart. Because regardless of what she said, it wasn't right. But she shouldn't be dead because of it. And there's so many stories out there. I heard she's not from Miami. I'm not sure where she's from. Right now, I'm not even going to say because I don't know. But they said that she used the article of clothing and was in a closet and used the door to do it. How about I read in another article, it was a sheet. And the hotel said that he gave them the timeline. Let me tell y'all something. If things are so serious to where you have to separate two people and put them in different rooms, come on. That must have been a really bad argument. And sometimes, I don't know, it just seems so odd. Because she kept in communication with her family. She was happy. I heard somebody try to spin, was she okay? Was there any mental health? Why do we always go to mental health? If anybody looked at that woman, she was having the time of her life. I don't think she harmed herself. I don't. Now, do the doctor know what happens? No, I don't. But I don't think she harmed herself. And I'm going to say this. They were all happy. Engaged, her birthday. Was he a type of person that loses his temper and get extremely mad and it was done in that rage? When they separated them from the room, whatever they was arguing about, because it's just them, the two of them over there. And they couldn't make it. Nobody else was there with them. You know, as far as we know now. Everything is allegedly because we don't know nothing. We know what they telling us. We don't know anything. But that's almost like when we had to basically be at home, like when the pandemic was. I think people was together because it was just them. But when you put outside and your friends and your career back in it and start back, a lot of people didn't make it. A lot of people married and divorced now, because they was with each other during those times. Was it something like that? Or was it outright planned? See, we don't know, and I don't like to speculate. But these are all the things that I'm hearing people say. And I'm not sure, they may do a full investigation, but money talks. It does. I hate to say it, but it does. We don't know what happened, but I can tell you one thing. We definitely got to be careful who we let in our space, who we go places with, and who we put our love with. Just because a person has money don't mean you ought to be with them. Don't mean that you should be treated like whatever. I'm not saying how she was treated, but I know some women that accept anything. because of the gifts, the money, the house, whatever. And we don't have to do that. She didn't have to do that. She didn't. No one does. Y'all, I'm going to see y'all later when there's another update. Y'all be safe. Bye.